Hello guys, what's up? This is Simon Peter, aka Snipes, and I'm here to, as always, talk about Roy Club community. And yeah, guys, I'm excited for today. Shout out to all my Roy Club bounty members out there, guys. Love your homies. Keep up the hard work. Keep making that money, guys. And to guys who have not yet joined us, please, we're here waiting for you guys. Like every other time, time flies by, and we're just hoping that you guys out there can join us and also be able to make this really good money, guys. You know, this is real, guys, and we're here to just tell you guys, please do not even take any much more time. Please just come and join us. Today is the 15th of March, and guys, today is fun. So guess what? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to perform your comments tasks from 1 up to 9, but this first video I'm going to cover this in details. Comment on YouTube video posted by the Roy Club's channel. So this comment is actually quite easy. So we're given a link to the Roy Club's channel, and on this link we shall find a number of videos, of which we select one, and then we comment on that video. Now guys, our comments must consist of at least 80 alphabetic characters. Yeah, alphabetic, at least 80. They need to be, so your comment has to be at least long. Yeah, the comment has to be at least long. Yeah, so, and it has to be about the video. It has to be about Roy Club, Prism, and CWT community, which is Change the World Together. All right, so comment on YouTube video posted. Let's start right now. So we're gonna click this link. Yep, and you must be, of course, signed in to your YouTube channel. So mine is already signed in. So we come to the Roy Club channel, which is this, and as you can see, there are a number of videos. All right, so the thing is that you just select one of these videos and you will comment on them. So I can select like this, how to withdraw money.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to
so I can just pause that because I'm interested in the comment. So guys, I want you to notice something here. Make sure you keep your eyes on the description, on the link bar here, and we're going to scroll down. So when we scroll down, a field comes in where we say add a public comment. Yeah, so this is where we're going to comment. So guys, like we said, our comment has to be, so the video is talking about how to withdraw Prism from Roy account to Singen account, So our comment has to be like, let's say the video has been like so helpful. So you comment in that line, and this is about Roy Club, so it has to be in connection. Don't just quote something from out there and just come and dump it there where it doesn't even make any sense at all, So we need to, your comment has to be in line with what? In line with the video. So I'll be like, let me say, be like, wow, this has been a really great video that has helped me be able to withdraw my prisms successfully. And guys, like they said, our comments have to be long in the sense that it has to be about 80 characters. So mine are currently 8. This is fine, right? So after writing your comment, you come and click comment like this. So immediately our comment appears below. All right, So next is we're going to click on the time, this little bar. And you see, as we click on this, if you see below, there is a certain link that appears, all right? There is that little link there that you see right there below. And this is actually the value that we want. So when we click this, you see how I've changed, all right? Here I changed this on the URL bar here, it changed, all right? And now you can see that our comment has been highlighted. Before it wasn't highlighted, right? So now this means that this is actually now the correct link that we need. So what we shall do, we shall copy this link, Control copy. If you're using Mac, it is Command C. If you're using Windows, it is Control C. And then we go back to our comments document, and then that is where we would paste our comment. All right. So guys, that is it. Make sure you notice the link here. So the link has YouTube Watch, yeah, and then in most cases this first bit is kind of like something to reference the actual video that we are commenting on, and then this other value besides is actually our comment value. So you need to make sure your link is in this format, and that is how your task comment for posting a comment on the Roy Club video will not be rejected. You can be assured of that. Otherwise, thank you guys, and yeah, I hope I'll see you guys next time.